Hello guys, review Motorola Moto G54, this Power Edition, 6000 mAh battery. In complementation we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot, documentary, adapter for charging with quick charge, okay, and Type-C cable. This is all complementation. Now talk about device. We have double camera. On the front side we have display 6.5 inch, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, warm buttons and power button with fingerprint scanner, Type-C port for headphones and speaker. Turn on device.
Hello, Moto.
Okay, turn on. Open settings and look Android version. About phone we have Android 13. Close this. Open Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results. We have CPU MediaTek Dimensity 7020, this octa-core processor, and CPU speed 2 and 2.2 GHz. Open Geekbench 6, look results. Okay, PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.